Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, you've probably wondered how strong an elephant really is, right? I mean, these massive creatures are practically the definition of strong. But how strong are they really? Can they lift a car? Can they crush a house? Or are they just big and heavy and that's where their strength stops? Well, today we're going to dive into that very question, and we'll do it using math, science, and a bit of fun. So let's get into it. First, let's break down an elephant's anatomy. Elephants are huge. A full-grown African elephant weighs around 6,000 kilograms, which is about 13,000 pounds. That's the weight of two cars stacked on top of each other. Now, the key to their strength is their muscles. Elephants have some of the most powerful muscles in the animal kingdom, especially in their trunks. The trunk is a long, flexible, multifunctional organ made up of around 40,000 muscle units. That's right, 40,000 muscles controlling this thing. It's like having a superpowered arm with extreme flexibility and strength all in one. An elephant can lift up to 350 kilograms with its trunk. That's roughly the weight of a large adult human, or the equivalent of 2 refrigerators. Now that sounds pretty impressive. But let's see how that compares to other animals. The strongest land animal relative to body weight is actually the leafcutter ant, which can lift up to 50 times its own body weight. But we're not talking about ants today. We're talking about elephants. And when we talk strength in absolute terms, as in the total amount of weight an animal can move, that's where the elephant really shines. Elephants can push or pull objects weighing several tons. Imagine an elephant pushing a 10,000-pound car. That's the kind of strength we're talking about. Okay, but how does an elephant's strength compare to human strength? Well, a human can lift, on average, about 1.5 times their own body weight. So if you weigh 150 pounds, you might be able to lift 225 pounds. An elephant, however, is lifting several times its own weight, but it's also about 10 times heavier than us. So, in simple terms, an elephant is way stronger than any human when it comes to raw strength. And here's a fun twist. If you wanted to simulate an elephant's strength with a human, we'd need to be able to bench press something absolutely insane, around 5,000 pounds.